Hiccups. Peppa, George, Mommy, and Daddy were having breakfast. It is a lovely sunny day, and Peppa and George can't wait to into the garden to play. Mommy, please can we go out to play? You can go out to play when you finish your breakfast. George, don't drink your juice too quickly. George drank his juice too quickly and now he has hiccups. Can we go out to play now, Mommy? Not a while. George has hiccups. But George's hiccups have gone. Mommy, haven't they, George? Oh, all right. You can go out and play. But look after George. Peppa and George love playing in the garden. George, I'm gonna throw the ball, and then you have to catch it. George, please stop hiccuping. George, now you throw the ball to me, and I have to catch it. George, oh dear. George, his cubs are spoiling the game. George, I know how to cure hiccups. You have to do what I say. Rub the top of your head and rub the tummy. Good, now your hiccups have gone. Peppa cure for hiccups doesn't seem to have worked. George, you've done it all wrong. I know a better way to cure hiccups. First, jump up and down 3 times on one leg. Now, wave your arms up and down and stick your tongue out. And now close your eyes and turn around quickly. 3 times. Peppa's new cure hasn't worked either. George still has hiccups. I know to cure hiccups. The ill piggy must be given a shock. George, I'm going to scare you, but you must remember, it's only a game and it stops you hiccups. Remember, this is just pretend scaring. Peppa, you mustn't play so rowdy with George. He's only little. Sorry, Mommy. I once was just trying to stop your hiccups. Your hiccups have gone. Here comes Daddy Pig with 2 breakers of juice. George, if you drink too quickly, you will get hiccups again. I'm not as little as George. I can drink juice as quickly as I want.